Hello everyone, welcome to Public App YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about JavaScript objects. What are JavaScript objects? JavaScript objects are used to store multiple key value pairs in single variable. These pairs are called properties of that object. Suppose we want to create a variable that contains some user all details in single variable. So we can create object and store all of the details of that user in single variable, and the details will be like his name, his age, his address, mobile number, and any other kind of details that is related to that user. So if we want to create that JavaScript object, we can simply create using var keyword or let or const if we want to create constant. So here we will use var user equal to, then we need to use middle bracket. So here I will use middle bracket, and that's mean that we are going to create an object in JavaScript. So this way we can create object. So here I will use key and value pair. So king will be name, and here I can write Banu star, and then I can enter suppose age of the user. So I can simply any number, then address will be a string, so we can write in double quotes. So we can write greater Noida and then comma. So if we want to create a property as object, we can do that also. So here I can create qualification, and then we can again use middle bracket to create an object inside on an object. So we can use suppose metric, and then the percentage of the metric. So 65, enter 66, and then BCA 71, like this. So we can create an object. So we will run, and there is no error. And suppose we want to access the properties of an object. So suppose we want to access the user's name, so we can write console.log so that we can see the result, and then user.name. So user is the object and name is the property of that object. And if we will run, we can see the name of the user Banu star. Same as that, we can also access age of the user. So age will be like 20. Suppose we want to access now qualification properties. So here I am accessing whole object. Then we can also access single properties of that object. So here I can write suppose metric. Then we will see the result of the metric only. This is how object works in JavaScript. Suppose we want to create a property in JavaScript that will be a function. So we can also do that. Suppose we want to get the introduction of that user. So here I can write intro, and here I will create a function without any name of that function. Then we can write our statement or instruction in that function to be executed. So here I can write like console.log, this is me on star, like this. And then we can access or execute that function using the property key. So here is intro. As we know, that is a function, and this is not executed like that. We need to here write parenthesis, so that will be executed. So the function is executed now. So this was all about JavaScript object. If you have any query related to the JavaScript object, you can comment down, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video, and we will see in next video.